The MUSETEX NN8-N6-7PIN Gaming Case boasts 6 pre-installed auto-adjustable speed PWM ARGB fans offering vibrant customizable lighting and enhanced cooling performance. This gaming case features an innovative tempered glass side panel with a metal pull ring and magnets, allowing for easy access and improved cooling efficiency. With its spacious ATX mid-tower design, this case accommodates a wide range of hardware installations, providing ample space for cable management and multiple storage options. The versatile design of the MUSETEX case allows for various graphics card installation methods, showcasing your GPU beautifully behind a high-transparency glass door. The Smart I/O panel design includes multiple ports, such as 2 USB 3.0 ports, ensuring high-speed data transfer and flexibility for various audio accessories. An elegant diamond mesh front panel enhances cooling performance, while the high-light transmitting glass side panels display the ARGB colors of your computer in style.